Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm the owner and creator of Vermont Lavender. My name is Diane. Thank you so much for joining me today. So here I wanted to show you the colorants and also the fragrance oils that I use. This is the Lavender Chamomile and I get this from Bulk Apothecary. And let me show you what that looks like there. It's Lavender Chamomile and I get it in this is 16 ounces right here. And then this is the Lavender 4042, which is a standard that we use in the soaping industry. It's an excellent lavender essential oil for making, adding to shower steamers, but bath bomb, especially soap is #1 use. And then when I make like body butters and lotions and things like that, I use a different lavender essential oil, French lavender and stuff like that. But that's a whole different subject. So let's concentrate on the fragrance oils first, and then I will do the colorants. So for the Eucalyptus Spearmint, and I call it Clarity Shower Steamer, this is from Wholesale Supplies Plus. And this is 16 ounces right here. So I buy in, it's better sometimes to buy in bulk for your fragrance oils or even your essential oils. I have a big, check this out. All right, this is really, really big. This is 5 pounds worth of lavender essential oil, and that's the 4042. And so what I do is, I bought this probably like a year and a half ago. So it's lasted me quite a while, and then I put it in the 16 ounces. So see the difference? And the cost is definitely higher now. Okay, so the next one is sinus, and I use this one to make the sinus shower steamer, and that is with all crystals. You can just use the essential oils like the lavender, or even like this one. This is energy. This is a fragrance oil actually. If you did that, you'd have to use a lot more, and that's why shower steamers are not safe to actually, they're not a bath bomb. You don't put it in your water because we use a higher amount of fragrance oil or essential oils, and they're not safe for this. We do use skin safe fragrance oils and essential oil that is from the INFA, which is, they call it infra, and it's the fragrance regulation industry that regulates the amount of essential oils and fragrance oils that you can use in your skincare products that makes it safe. This one here, moving on, is energy, and I use this one. This is from Brambleberry, and I got this several years ago, and so I use this in the morning one, and Valencia essential oil. I don't have it with me here, but I'll have to get that out. I probably have it in the refrigerator because it's really good to put the essential oils like the orange and your citrus ones, bergamot, lime, lemon, any of those citrus essential oils. It's really good to actually store them in the refrigerator because it helps to make them last longer and be as potent as they were when they were distilled. That is the fragrance oils and the essential oils. And so I want to move on to the colorants that I use. So this is a green, and this is a Kermit Green. This is from Brambleberry, as you can see right there with their little logo. And then for the purple one, which is a Lavender Chamomile, I use Queen Mica right here. And yeah, they're labeling, because it's a thermal label, it kind of comes off a little bit, they're printing. And then these here, this one's for the sinus, and this is from Wholesale Supplies Plus. This is Banana Boat Yellow Mica, and this is from Wholesale Supplies Plus. Let me go like that so you can see it. And let me do the, I really like this color, it's so pretty. Turquoise Teal Mica. That one there. Then this one I used when I made the aromatherapy heart ones there, and I do have a video on that one. And I used rose and peony, a geranium essential oil in it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I love that one. Plumberry Pink Mica, and that's what it looks like. So it's really, really pretty. Very pretty mica. So I just wanted to show you some of the essential oils and the colorants that I do use in making my shower steamers. All right, we're going to move on. I'm going to make the Eucalyptus Spearmint shower steamer next.